Rhino Dirt sucks up oil, gas, coolant, chemicals, and other nasty liquids instantly, but you gotta use it right to get maximum results. I'm gonna drop some oil down on this UPS truck. Uh-oh. But then I spread a little Rhino Dirt on it, and unlike tired old kitty litter, where you put it down, wait around, and hope for the best, with Rhino Dirt, you just grab a broom, grind it in, and you're done. And everything, including the broom, is bone dry. And if it gets dark, you just add more Rhino Dirt and keep going until everything's dry. You're not waiting around for anything. Or anybody. Look at that. Even my hand is dry. Alright, let's do it again. Oil on a flatbed. Now I grab my extremely light bag of Rhino Dirt, put it right on that oil. Right on top. And then I get my trusted broom. Grind it in, and you're done in seconds. My 4-pound bag will suck up 2 gallons on any surface, even on dirt and water. No lie. Alright, we've done a little paint out here on this plastic. Take a little Rhino Dirt, put it on top of it. Take my broom, and let's go to work. My friend, you're done instantly. The paint's cleaned up. Now go get yourself some Rhino Dirt.